How to delete an Instagram account on mobile. Open Instagram. If you're already logged into Instagram, doing this will take you to the home page. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Tap the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Select Settings from the menu. Now, select the Help option. From here you are going to tap Help Center, which appears as the second item in the Help menu. This action will open a web browser window with some instructions. Select the three lines in the upper right corner. Select Manage Your Account, which appears as the second option near the top of the page. From here you will select Delete Your Account. Tap How do I delete my Instagram account? Choose this option if you will never want to reopen the same account in the future. Side note, if you'd rather deactivate the account temporarily until you sign back in, select How do I temporarily disable my Instagram account, instead, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Tap the blue text reading Delete Your Account. The information here informs you that deletion is permanent, but that you'll have up to 30 days to reactivate it if you change your mind. Now you will have to select the reason you want to delete your account. Tap the drop menu and select the reason you are deleting your account. If you don't want to state a reason, select the option, Something Else. Re-enter your password and tap the blue Delete button. This will open a pop-up window prompting you to confirm. Tap OK. If you sign back into Instagram within the next 30 days, your account will be reactivated. Once 30 days pass, the account will be permanently deleted and you can no longer sign in. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more tutorials.